we proceed, I would like to show you that this is my channel, that is Goms Tech Talks. You can subscribe to the channel to get the latest videos. And I have two playlists, important playlists for all the researchers. So one is all about the research, and second one is SCI Scopus, Annexure-I, UGC Web of Science, Index journals. So this two playlist will be very useful for all the researchers. So you can find the journal which are indexed in these important databases for all the domains. Okay, you can click here and see, and this is all about the research. So let us proceed with the today's video. So here you can see that this is an IJCAS, which is International Journal of Control, Automation and Systems. Here, for any journal, whatever the journal I'm discussing, please go and check whether it is still there in Scopus, because I have checked that already. When you are trying to submit your article, it is better to recheck again. Okay, so few things which you have to consider is, what first one is the frequency of the journal, how many times a year they are publishing. Because if the frequency is more than 6 issues, then they will give you the fastest reply. Okay, the second one is, what you have to check for the price. What is the price of the journal? Whether if you wanted to pay, then whether that price is feasible to you if you are going to publish it as a single author, or even though if you wanted to add your guide name or anything else, whether they can support you in financially. Or else you can also check with your organization whether they can support you. The third one which you have to check is, what whether these all these things are okay, then you have to check for the scope. Okay, whether that particular journal is really under the scope of your subject domain. And fourth one you have to check is, what if first 3 points are okay, then you have to check what is the plagiarism policy, what is the author guideline, what are the copyrights you have to submit. And you should ensure that whether if it is a paid one, any waiver off is available. So everything you have to check. Okay, so now let us see, this is the international journal. So let us go to information for authors. Okay, so here you can see, you can present the regular papers, and also you can present the technical notes and correspondence. Okay, so these two are accepted. And how, what is the peer review policy and how to submit. And here they have mentioned something about the manuscript preparation, how to submit, how to prepare your manuscript before you submit, and how to style your manuscript. Okay, and what is the charges for overland. So this is a paid charge. Okay, you have to pay charge from 300 USD. So 300 USD, nearly it will come around, I think, 25,000, and it may vary based on when you're going to submit it. Okay, so if you're going to submit it later, it may increase. So 300 USD, it's nearly 24,000. Okay, for 8 pages. And if you wanted if you wanted to make more than 8 pages, like 9 pages, you have to add extra $100. Okay, so let us see that what are all that is a if you wanted to subscribe, you can just go and see what is the subscription information. Click on the introduction to see what are all the scope of the journal, if they have mentioned anywhere here. uh, yeah, the purpose of this journal to provide forum for original research results on theory, design, experiments and applications in all technical areas of control, automation and system engineering. Okay, so pay charge, they have already mentioned what is the pay charge. Okay, you can see here. And guide to submission, what are the guides they have, like you can get the manuscript word template and start working on it. Okay, so this is what. And if you wanted to know about the previous that is, what is the frequency, if they haven't mentioned directly, you can check in the archives or in the published paper. So we will just click on the 2021. You can see this is 12 issues per year. So of course you will get the immediate response from them. Immediate in the sense, not within 1 hour. Okay, anyhow, for review they will take at least 1 week to 10 days of time. So please wait for that. Okay, so the next journal which we are going to discuss is what International Journal of Space Structures. Okay, so just click on the aim and the scope. to know more about this particular journal. So what are the things they are just concentrating on? Encompasses structures such as single, double, multi-layer, grid, barrel, walls, extra. You can see everything here. Okay, so they are just concentrating on structural engineers, architect, civil engineering, contractor, system manufacturer, and research. So these are all completely related to the architecture and civil engineering related journal this is. So let us go and see what is the what they have mentioned in the submission guideline. So there are no fees payable to submit or publish in this journal, so great. And we have already discussed about what is the aim and the scope. So now let us go and see how many issues per year they are just concentrating on. So let us go and click on the all issues here. Okay, and let us click on 2021. So they are issuing four issues per year. Okay, they are publishing four issues per year. So let us go to the next journal, which is Indonesian Journal of Science and Technology. This is a paid one. Okay, here you can see what are the things which they are concentrating on. The editors welcome submission of papers describing recent theoretical and experimental research related to theoretical articles, empirical studies, case studies, and literature review. Great. But what about the scope? We can just click on about. Yes. Focus and scope. You can see what are the focus and scope. Of course, they are covering multidisciplinary like agriculture, biology, chemistry, computer science, earth science and engineering, electrical and electronic, environmental science, food science, mathematics, organization of laboratories, everything. Okay, great. And let us see what is the review process. Here you can see that how the review process is taking, and you can also learn about how many days they will take. Okay, so here you can see volume maximum 16 articles per review, so 60 articles, so it will be a fastest one, right? So 20% similarities, below 20% they are expecting for. Great, they have given many information regarding this journal, so you can read it and know about it. So the next one is what we just want to know is what is the how many issues they are just publishing. Okay, publication frequency, can see April, September, and December. Okay, only three issues. But since it is a paid one, so they will be giving you the fastest response. I think let us go and visit the fees. So the fee of this cast is 300 USD. Same, it will be nearly 24,000. Okay, so authors can apply waiver. Great. So here they have mentioned about a waiver. So I have already published a video regarding how to apply for the waiver, 50 percentage waiver to the reviewer. Sorry, editor. Okay, so you can apply waiver for this particular journal. So great. I have already published a video related to how to apply for waiver, 50% waiver. So you can find that in my channel, Goms Tech Talks, in the All About Research playlist. If you just scroll down, you can see letter to the editor requesting to reduce the APC charges. Okay, so you can just send a mail to them and get the waiver for this. Okay, and also you can see where it is indexed in. And the next one, which we're going to discuss, is what environment and planning B, urban analytics and city science. So the issue is eight issues. Okay, let us see how many issues per year. Yes, nine issues per year. Okay, they are publishing nine issues per year. Let us go and see the aim and scope of the journal. So the aim and scope, you can see, okay, it's a big data. You can see that geocomputation, spatial statistics, geographical information science, computational modeling, visualization, big data. Okay, of course they are covering more or most of the thing, and it is nine issues per year. Let us see what is the submission guidelines, what is the price for this. Okay, there are no fees payable to submit or publish this journal, this published in this journal. Great. Okay, so here you can see, before you proceed, please go and check the complete documentation, complete information to the author, and also I am recording this video in November 2022. If you are seeing this in the first week of November 2022, if you are seeing this even in the second week of November 2022, please go and revisit the Scopus database, because blindly, if you just submit your article and that particular journal is removed from Scopus when you are trying to submit, then it was not worth. Okay, so anyhow, UGC has declared that the publication is not a mandatory one. It is better to publish in a Scopus, because we should ensure that our paper is approved by a Scopus or SCI or UGC CAS journal. Okay, is approved and published in that particular journal. So it is always better to send your paper for review like this type of journals. Okay, so just try these journal and cross check. I'm repeating because I'm always getting a comment that I have uploaded that video on during May 2022 May or 2022 January, but now they are telling that it is not in the Scopus. Of course, they'll be removing it for every, at least every 3 months once they'll be reviewing it, and they will remove it or they will add a new one. Okay, so please go and check twice. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any doubts, please leave your comment. I'll be definitely helping you out regarding research. And again, I just wanted to confirm that I am not related to any research consultancy, so I cannot help you to make your article published in the Scopus or SCI. Okay, I can just show you the path, how to what are the journals you have and how to publish and everything, so you can see the path, everything related to the research here. Okay, so that I can do. Other than that, you have to try. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.